Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate z-score in Excel. So open an Excel sheet. Here you can see there's some number of students and the result in the sheet. So for calculating z-score, we have to first calculate the mean and the standard deviation. So first we will calculate the mean. We'll put the formula of average, which is equals to average open parenthesis, select the range of the results and click on the closing parenthesis, click on enter. As you can see, the mean is calculated. Now we have to put the formula of standard deviation, which is equals to STDEV open parenthesis, select the range again, close the parenthesis, click on enter. Now we have to calculate the z-score, which would be equals to open parenthesis and then select the first cell of the result, subtract it from the mean and close the parenthesis and then divide it by the standard deviation. Click on enter. As you can see, it's just done. So this is how you can calculate the z-score in Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.